Hi, everyone. It's Miss Gdansky from the Library Media Center. Today, I want to share with you a couple tips for finding synonyms. And just to recap, a synonym is a word that means the same as another. And synonyms are helpful to us when we're writing paraphrases. It's super important when we're looking at information that we get online or from a text. It's important that we put that into our own words. And sometimes what we need to do is define words that we don't understand and find synonyms for those. So one tool that I'd like to share with you is a resource called dictionary.com. So in a Google search, you can search dictionary.com. And once you go to dictionary.com, there's a thesaurus.com tab at the top of the page. And a thesaurus is a tool that helps you find synonyms. So you might want to just start with dictionary.com if you're trying to define a word that you're not familiar with. You can also use thesaurus.com and simply type in your word, fortify, and it's going to give us words that mean the same as fortify. And this is helpful because we can use these words in our paraphrase. So we would find something that we are familiar with, like to protect or strengthen. Perhaps we might use that in place of fortify. So just to recap, you're going to go to dictionary.com. And once you get to dictionary.com, you can define the word, or you can go to thesaurus.com. And then you're going to type in the word that you're looking for, and then you're going to pull out some synonyms that you know and understand. Another tip for you, if you have information in a Google Doc, you can use a similar feature. So I'm looking at some writing here, and I'm going to identify a word that might be helpful to find a synonym for. I'm looking for exacerbate. So I'm going to highlight the word, I'm going to right click, and then I have these options to, let me do this one more time. It didn't turn out just right. Exacerbate, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to define. So it's going to define that word for me, but what it also does is it provides some synonyms. So a synonym for exacerbate is to aggravate, make worse, or worsen. And I understand what those words mean. So this is a good way to find a synonym. So again, you would need to be in a Google Doc to use this tool, but you are going to highlight the word, right click, and then define the word. And then after the definition, you would see the synonym. So those are your tips for today. I hope that's helpful for you. Have a great day.